Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you a very well-known rice water therapy, that is the fermented rice water therapy for fast hair growth. This is a very old method of bringing nutrients to your hair because rice water contains nutrients like antioxidants, biotin, vitamin B and all other proteins which can nourish your follicles and help to regrow your hair fast and thicker. To make this rice water, you need to take 1 cup of rice, any rice which is available with you, like organic rice or even black rice, brown rice, anything. You need to take 1 cup and wash the rice first to remove the impurities and dirt, and then throw off that washed water. So after washing, you need to again soak the same rice with another 1 cup of water and let it sit for half an hour. See, at the beginning you may find the rice being very transparent, and as you soak it for half an hour, the rice becomes thicker with soaked water and it becomes opaque, and this is the water which you need to ferment. So as you can see, the rice water has become cloudy, and this is the time you need to separate the rice from the rice water. For that, I'm going to use a glass bottle. You can use any bottle or a container which you can pour the rice water into and cap it or seal it tightly, and you can keep it. Minimum you need to keep at least for 8 hours for the rice water to ferment. The best would be to keep it for 24 hours. If you are using the rice water in the morning, you can keep it overnight and use the rice water. So here I have transferred it in the bottle, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of rice into it, and I'm going to keep it tightly covered at least for 24 hours before I can use this. There are many benefits of using rice water on your hair. First of all, it promotes hair growth. It increases shine and nourishes the scalp. It protects hair from any environmental damage, improves your hair elasticity, thereby reducing breakage, and also smoothens the cuticles. So the rice water is ready to ferment. So after 24 hours, this is how it looks. You can see that the settled rice, which can release all its nutrients into the water. Even as you shake, you can see that the water is getting cloudy and it has become thick and sour, and so this is because the rice water is fermented. You can see the bubbles of fermentation which is collected at the top. So this is, the rice water is quite nutritious and it is ready to be applied on your hair. So for application, I am taking a spray bottle. You can take any bottle, any size, depending on the length of your hair. You can take a bigger one also. So I'm transferring the water into the spray bottle, and I'm going to add few drops of oil. This is optional. This is to ensure that the rice water stays on your hair for quite a long time before it evaporates. So after adding to a few drops of coconut oil or olive oil, I'm going to shake this very well and apply it or spray it along the length of the hair and even to the scalp. So once you apply it, you leave it for 1 or 2 hours before you can wash off with plain water or warm water. You can also store this fermented rice water in the refrigerator for at least a week and use it whenever you want. Another method would be to use this as a final rinse after you shampoo your hair. The protein in rice water will fill the hair shaft and rearrange the cuticles so that they reflect more light and make your hair shinier and smoother. The fermented rice water is acidic, and when you rinse your hair with it, it restores the pH balance of your hair and therefore make your hair look healthier, shinier and smoother. So this is the use of fermented rice water. You can use this daily also. So try this simple method of nourishing your hair. See how it works for you. If you want more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.